Hello, welcome to Flourishing Beyond 60 with Eunice Jerry. Today we are going to do something different. I welcome you to join me and experience a nature walk in Olorua in Gong Forest. So we are getting started here. This is the entrance, and these are some of my colleagues. And I'm sure it's going to be exciting. We have all the ages, from the youngest Gen Zs to the oldest, who is about 79 years. It's beautiful. The terrain is hills and valleys, beautiful trees, and it is an exciting experience. We are all enjoying ourselves. Wow, fun, joy all around. And you know what? We walk as a team, not leaving one another behind. Indeed, we have pace setters, but we have people at the back taking care of everybody. So we are getting started here. This is the entrance. And, these are some of my colleagues. And I'm sure it's going to be exciting. We have all the ages. Those are the Mamau caves. Yeah, they are deep. The places are tough. You need a lot of care. You need to be careful, but it is safe.
I know, you can see it.
The waterfalls, beautiful, beautiful. Once the energy is finished, you need to refresh. The games, competition, exciting. This was exciting. We are in two groups, we are competing, tracing things. Oh, time to celebrate. That's what that group now feels they have won. Today I am so happy. We have had a nature trail walk within Olorua, somewhere in Gong. It was exciting. We had all the ages. I think the oldest is about 77, 79 there, and then we have the younger ones. It was exciting. We went up and down. The air was so fresh. We made new friends. It could not be better. And you know what? That was a very good opportunity of doing social investment, which is very, very beneficial in our lives for better health, so that we shall flourish all the days of our life. Thank you. Bye-bye, and see you in our next video. And please, if you have not subscribed, I would appreciate if you do so that I also feel encouraged as you support me. Share also so that we encourage other people, and like. Thank you one more time, and bye till the next video.